Hello and welcome back to my blog or YouTube channel. Pulled pork is on the menu today. I have two preferred ways of serving pulled pork, in a bun or with a side of mashed potatoes, and I will show you both in the video. This recipe is not complicated at all, but it takes quite a while to make it properly, since we need to bake the pork meat low and slow. But trust me, the wait is worth it. Once you bite into the fall apart tender and juicy goodness, you will understand. Let's do it. Pork shoulder or pork butt are the best cuts for making pulled pork, in my opinion. I'm working with a large piece that I have cut in two parts. We need to season the meat quite heavily. Start with Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons at least. Sugar goes in too, at about 2 tablespoons. Good amount of olive oil so the spices stick to the meat nicely. Finish it up with 2 or 3 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue seasoning mixture. Now use your hands to properly season all parts of the pork shoulder. And of course, add in a generous amount of salt and black pepper. We're cooking a large piece of meat, so don't be shy with the seasonings. Transfer the seasoned pork to a plate and pour 1 cup of beef or chicken stock into the baking dish. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce too and mix it up. Now place the meat back into the baking dish, cover it with foil and start baking at 150 Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. 4 hours later, the meat looks like this. Let me mention that I removed the foil for the final 30 minutes and I also upped the temperature to 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit to broil the pork shoulder a bit. Now use 2 forks to shred the meat. It should go easily as the meat is literally falling apart. Keep all the drippings and juices in the baking dish. It will mix nicely with the shredded meat and make it more juicy. Let's make a simple dressing now to use in the bun. Mix 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 clove crushed garlic, and some lime juice. Add a pinch of salt and some black pepper, mix properly and the dressing is done. We can assemble the pulled pork bun now. It's a good idea to toast both halves of the bun first, so they don't become soggy. Start with the dressing, spread it evenly on both parts. Add a generous amount of the lovely pulled pork. Now some vegetables. I'm using iceberg lettuce, tomatoes and cucumbers. And that's it, the pulled pork sandwich is ready. Alternatively, you can serve pulled pork with a side of mashed potatoes or even rice. When doing it this way, don't forget about the drippings that are waiting in the baking dish. These taste amazing, so definitely pour some over the meat and mashed potatoes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and make sure to come back for more simple recipes. See you next time!